How to create a Game Pass in Roblox Mobile. What is up everyone? In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily create a Game Pass in Roblox Mobile. For that, you first have to simply go ahead and open Roblox on your device. And then once you have opened it up, you can basically go over to your home screen. Then over to the More section at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a bit until you find Create. Tap on it. Once you go to the Create section, you could just go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Now you can find your creations. And under your experiences, you can go ahead and tap on any one of your experience. Then again, go to the hamburger menu right beside dashboard. And then under monetization, you'll find game passes. Tap on passes. Now, as you can see, I've already created some passes over here. I can just go ahead and tap on create a pass. Then if you want, you can change the picture of the pass. So I've just given it a name called create pass. Now you can also change the image. So if you tap on change, I've selected this random image from my gallery, and then you can just tap on create pass. Once the pass is created, you're going to have to put the item for sale. So go ahead and tap on create pass, the pass that you've just created. And then you can go over to the dashboard at the top left. Then go to sales. And then check this toggle to put the item in sale. Now let's say if I just price it like $3.50 for now, tap on save changes. You have to note that whenever someone purchases your pass, you basically get only 70% off the total fee. 30% is going to go to Roblox. So just make sure that you calculate the percentage beforehand. Now once you have created your pass, all you have to do is go back to your game section, open up Please Donate, play the game, and then you can set up a stall over there. People will be able to purchase your pass on that. As you can see here, I've already logged into the game. Now I can just go over to one of these stalls, claim the stand, and then you'll have a bunch of passes over here. So let me just find the one, the 350 one I've just created. I can just tap on it. It's showing me the same image and the price as well. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you create your Game Pass in Roblox. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.